Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to come on to do a layout to play along with Not Just for Boys Kit Club July 2023 kits. We have got the most gorgeous kits and they're so different from last month. So it's super fun. I'm going to work with the Journey Limitless kit to start. And guys, I'll bring in a la carte goodies and all of that because just can't help myself. That's what I do. So now this is a paper heavy kit. So I pulled out a few of the papers just to start. Now I want to go ahead and fussy cut out all of these pieces. This is the back side, which is gorgeous with the fern like leafy bits. So I'm glad I have both. So I'm going to fussy cut all of these guys out in a second, but wanted to show you what they look like as is. Now, next, look at these papers. Love them. I keep getting drawn to this one over and over. So I'm going to fussy cut out this image right here and try to keep the outside, in case I want to match with it. So I have that in mind. And then I love this. So I have this in mind. Then the next thing for me to decide on is, where's my other wood grain? Here it is. There are two wood grains and I got to figure out which one I want to use as one of the mats for my layout. I'm going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. They're beautiful. They are just beautiful. I'm wondering, guys, I don't know. What do you think? Okay, big decision time, but these are the papers I'm concentrating on for now. I did just print a photo. Let me grab it. It's literally hot off the printer. It's not even trimmed away from my other photos, so just bear with me. I have this photo here. This is my husband and we are on a walkabout, actually pretty near our house, but we live in a very, very hilly region. It's like, one of those things. And I thought it was pretty and rather mountain man looking as things go. So we have that. Phew. So what I need to do is calm down, as we know, cut out a bunch of things. Pick which goodies. Guys, these are in the Limitless kit. They are gorgeous. So I want charms on my desk, very fancy notes I leave myself. And let's see what we have here. Explore more, worry less. This is totally good for this. This is in the a la carte section. And these have the masking on them. So I have all kinds of stuff to do. So I want to get some distress oxides that match and bring that. But then we have this, which I love. Okay, there's so many things, guys. And then our sequin mix, which matches, of course, perfectly. Okay, I've got some homework to do. I've talked for 3 minutes. Haven't gotten anywhere. Give me a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, I have a little bit better of an idea what I'm going to be doing here. So I just went ahead and popped this photo on a little scrap of cardstock. Great. I cut out this mountain scene, guys. Why am I so smitten by this? I think it's so cool. And I'm going to pop it up on a little bit of foam so I can get some shadow, right? And then pop it right here. So actually, you know what I should see how it's like kind of blue here? Or should I do this so that's in the sky? But no, I'm going to go ahead and pop it up, put it right here. All of this blue is going to be kind of on the blue, the green kind of on the green. I think that'll be great. But I want to mat it on this. So what I thought I would do is just do a little bit of tearing around these great stripy bits. Make it kind of organic and work with it. Guys, keep this. That green is amazing. So I'm going to do that, have it sit on this great piece here. This one's called Stay Wild Bee. And then I'm going to mat that onto this gorgeous wood grain. So I've got a much better stitch going, and then I went ahead and fussy cut out all kinds of these cute pieces from the P13 sheet, and then we can layer up all the things. It's going to be great. Love it. Oh, and I have to still pull some ink colors and make that so fancy. Explore more, worry less. How cute. So cute. Okay, I've got some things to do, but I wanted to show you where I am. I think it's coming along like in a way I can explain it better. I started looking at all of these pieces and I was like, what is it that I want to do? And it should not be that hard to figure out. But sometimes when you get a new kit, it's like you have to start getting a nice introduction to it. Like you get to know it better. You start figuring out how it wants to vibe, all that kind of stuff. And that's right where we are. But isn't that cute on the orange? It's so cute. Guys, why did it get blurry? Okay, so cute. Like the way this is going. I'll meet you right back here. Let's put a couple of these pieces together. I went ahead and cut this orange piece 11 1/4 by 11 1/4, and I like that. I have a nice strong wood grain, mat on it, so I think that is fabulous. And I scuffed up the edges just a little bit. I didn't make it super scuffy, but I thought that since that stripy paper that we have, because that's what it's called, the stripy paper is torn, then it kind of lent itself to just a little something going on. So we have that. Lovely. Then let's go ahead and pop this on. Oh, Lordy. The ATG wants to fight me a little bit, guys. So this is obviously ish, but just want it kind of in the middle. Now, guys, there's like this cute green on the back. So I was making sure that when I was scuffing it a little bit, I was rolling some of this forward because I love all of that gorgeous, gorgeous, like strong spring green kind of color. So just a little something going on so you can see it. I mean, it's not like the prominent thing, but you can definitely see that things are going on. Okay, we have that. Is that about right? Yeah, it is now. So I'm going to pop this up on a little bit of dimension, and then we'll be able to see a good shadow behind that. Probably have my photo here in the middle of all this green. See how green this is right here? And then guys, we can just start putting the things on. All right, I love the way this is coming together. Like I'm actually happy with it just like this. I had so much fun painting up this woodcut. I used all kinds of distress oxides and just went for it. And I think it's super cute. Kind of looks like a badge, which I like. And of course, I tried to match colors as much as I can to the background. Phew. Now, let's see what we want to do next. I did cut out lots of these little pieces. Like these boots totally remind me of my husband. He wears boots like that. We can have a cute little camp chair if we choose. Now the water bottle looks massive compared to that. So might go ahead and tuck that in. This is cute, guys. It's a little big. Oh, look at the cute little binoculars. I like the idea of bringing in a little bit of that blue. And of course, anything that I do, I can pop up on different, like pop things up. Okay, I like all of that. Do we need a little guitar? The guitar is way bigger than the chair, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so I like this. I think it's fun. Now, what do I want to do about a title? I could have thought about that before this, right? So let me see. I've also got these great pieces in here. So we've got some wordy bits, which you can always do a title so easily with that. But look at these. Into the Wild. I think I just found a title just like that so quickly. These are so cool, guys. Did you see how cool these things are? Super cool. Okay. Pure Happiness, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I like Into the Wild with that. I'm going to pop that up. The other thing I'd like to do is decide, do I want to map my photo? And I'm going to go with no. And I usually do, but I like, for some reason, I like how clean this looks. It's so clean. Now, I also have some sequins I want to put in. I want to bring in maybe some of these wordy bits. Oopsie, oopsie. Do I need this anywhere? Oh, I kind of like that the chair can sit on that piece. And then from the Limitless kit, we've got these gorgeous, just incredibly pretty little charms. So let's see. What do we have in here? Look at how cute that is. Look at, just the color match is amazing that they did. Okay, we have a nighttime scene. We've got this, which is just incredible how well they did with that. So I think I'm going to have one of those tucked in. And then that might be it for these little beauties. Okay, let me get all of this stuff down and I'll meet you right back here. I'm just having so much fun. Hold on. So guys, it's been like an entire weekend since I was working on this. I just had it on my desk, went away to an event. I am back, but I want to stick all these pieces down. And I know I already said it, but I was so happy with the way this came out. Like my little mountains are variegated. Who knew? So cute. Such a good wood cut. I thought it was clever. Totally well done to go with this. So I'm going to get all of these things stuck down. I think I'm going to need a little bit of liquid adhesive, all that kind of stuff, because I have got some heavy things. Maybe one of those gluey dots there. So let me get all this stuff down, popped up on some dimension. Then I'm going to stare at it for a moment to see if I can add any other little bits. So I've got these little pieces on. I think I'm going to grab my Inklings and Oaky Bear Blue. Hopefully I can find my squirty. There it is. And just grab a few sequins, and I think this one is pretty much there. I think it's fabulous. It's like one of those things where the product is just kind of taking over for you, so you don't have to do much more. So I'm going to go ahead and glue a few sequins on, get some splatters on here. I'll come back and do splatters with you. And yeah, this one's going to be done. But guys, so much fun dimension on this, and we're going to get a little bit of sparkle with our sequins right now. So let's do some splatters, aka splatty bits. I do have my Oaky Bear Blue kind of activated. See how you start getting those nice little pearly bits? And this is one of these, like, it's an Inkling. So Inklings have a lot of fabulous shimmery payoff. So I'm going to obviously show you absolutely nothing. No, I was going to just start getting this tapped around, and when it dries, you've got this beautiful little shimmery payoff. But the Oaky Bear Blue, it's a really nice deep kind of a navy. So we're going to be able to see it. We're going to get some shimmer. It's going to be beautiful. All right, I'm going to finish this up and I'll show you my finished layout. All right, my friends, I have some of that nice deep Oaky Bear Blue on the outside edges of my layout. Just a few little sequins to bring in a little bit of something. And then this layout is done. So I am going to get a couple pics of it, some still shots for you guys. I'm going to put the links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club. What is floating around in here? Oh, okay. Some links for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, Facebook group, blog, all of that. And then, yeah, still shots to follow. And I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys. Still shots right there.